All right, everybody, here's problem number 5. An automobile is sitting on a hill which is 20 meters higher than the ground level. Find the mass of the automobile if it possesses 300,000 joules of gravitational potential energy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw. Here's our ground. Here's our hill. And then our car is going to be sitting on top of that hill. So here's the wheels. Here's the car. And it is, how far did they say? 20 meters off the ground. Okay. So we are looking for the mass. So it's saying to find the mass. So here's the mass that we don't know. Its height is going to be 20 meters off the ground. It's possessing an EG of 300,000 joules. And since it's here on planet Earth, we're going to remember that it's 10 newtons per kilogram. Okay, and the equation that uses all of these would be EG is equal to mass times gravity times height. We're going to go ahead and isolate and solve because we're looking for mass, which is not by itself. So we have EG is equal to mass times gravitational field strength times height. And since we have G times H, which all multiplies to M, we can divide G and H together. We don't have to do it one at a time. All right, and so we have the gravitational potential energy over G times H is going to give us mass. Now let's go ahead and solve it. Mass is equal to EG of 300,000 joules over, we have 10 newtons per kilogram times 20 meters. Okay, we have mass is equal to, essentially what it is going to be 300,000 divided by 10 times 20. So 300,000 divided by 10 times 20 is 200, is going to give us 1,500 kilograms. And that's our mass. Now for the proportional reasoning, we have given the same mass. So our mass is going to stay at 1,500 kilograms. What is the height of the car? So this is the thing that we don't know now. So this is going to be the height of the car if its gravitational energy is 900,000. Now remember the original was 300,000, and to get to 900,000, we're going to multiply by 3. Okay, so 300,000 times 3 is 900,000. Whoops, we don't need that. Okay, thank you. So let's see, we're going to triple this, and it's here on Earth. So 1 times 1 times something needs to equal 3, so it's going to be 3. So we have 3H is equal to 3 times 20 meters, which is 60 meters. Okay. And the next part is given the same height. So now our height is going to stay the same. And what is the gravitational potential? So we're looking for the EG if the mass of the car is quadrupled. So we're going to quadruple the mass. It stays here on Earth. So 4 times 1 times 1 is going to be 4. Okay, so we have 4 EG. We have 4 times the original, which is 300,000, is going to be 1,200,000 joules. Right? So if you have any questions, make sure to ask in class or go ahead and email me. If you see any problems, please make sure to say something. Don't just let me continue having the video up if there's something wrong. All right, I will see you guys all soon.